friends, I'm back. Check out this dress by Violets in May. I'm just going to show you some fashion videos. I hope you guys like these videos. Let me know if you want to see more of them. This dress has a little matching top, and then the earrings are by Splendette, and the necklace is also by Splendette. And shocker, the bracelets are by Splendette. They actually make 3 sizes of bracelets, which I love. My shoes are Bait shoes. They have little polka dots on the soles, which are super duper cute. I will put links to all of the companies in the description box below too, in case anyone wants to check any of this stuff out. And here is the final outfit. I don't wear colorful stuff very much anymore, so this felt actually kind of super fun to step back into the way I used to dress a little bit. I actually gave this whole outfit away on Instagram, which was a super fun contest. But anyways, I hope you guys like these little style videos. I've been off of YouTube for so long and I want to bring back some content. So let me know if you want to see more of these. And thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.